It's always good to be proactive with fixing things. When your home goes under contract, the buyer has the opportunity to hire a home inspector, and they're gonna look over every inch of your property, and they're gonna find everything that's wrong with it. So if there's little things that you can take care of now that will save you on the back end and can't be used against you in the negotiation process, do it. One thing you can do is rely on me at the beginning to potentially show you what stuff is gonna be most important, what stuff is gonna have the most impact on value. It's always a good idea to reach out to a realtor. Don't do it yourself. Some buyers will walk into a house, and if they see a paint color they don't like, that's a deal killer for them. Even though fixing paint's a relatively easy and inexpensive task. It's always a good idea, especially if you have like a daughter with a bright pink room, or a son that had a bright blue, or an accent wall that's a bright yellow or green, or anything that's not a normal earth, gray, toned down kind of color, to make sure that you go out, grab yourself a can of paint, mask everything off, and paint it to match the rest of your house. That can go a long way, especially with some buyers that can't look past things as simple as paint color. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow me, and comment below. Have a great day, guys.